Hola, soy Kavita, mucho gusto. Welcome to my channel Mapa Herbal Talks. Let's talk about Indian ancient life science and ancient remedies. Today we talk about Shirodhara. Shirodhara is an ancient Ayurvedic treatment involving the steady gentle pouring of medicated oil, milk, buttermilk or kwath in a continuous stream of drip on head, especially on the forehead, in a synchronized and rhythmic manner for a stipulated period. The name literally means head stream or head pouring. The process is often used to enhance mental clarity and has been shown to help calm the mind, improve concentration, and promote overall cognitive function. Shirodhara helps in stress reduction, improved sleep, and enhanced mental clarity, along with the relief from headaches and migraines. This Ayurvedic therapy also supports skin and hair health and can help calm the nervous system, making it beneficial for anxiety and other related issues. Shirodhara therapy is administered on a specially designed massage table. Above the table hangs the Shirodhara pot, a container for oil with a little hole at the base. A tiny built-in pit on the table collects extra oil that drips off the head during treatment. To stimulate the head's nerve endings, a gentle 10-minute head massage is given before receiving Shirodhara treatment. Lying face up on the table in the first stage. To relieve tense muscles, keep arms close to body and breathe deeply. The Shirodhara pot should be adjusted such that the oil covers your forehead from a height of 10 to 15 cm. The pot then starts to move laterally, covering the forehead from left to right. The oil is in the pot needs to be warm up to the ideal temperature. For half an hour, the procedure is repeated with a light finger massage of the head. After wiping off extra oil from the forehead, the patient may take an hour-long nap. The location on the forehead where the oil is poured is significant. The forehead is the location of Ajna Chakra, that is the third eye. This chakra acts as an aperture into the emotional mind when oil or herbs are applied at this point. Located directly and entirely superior towards the top of the head is the Sahasrapadma Chakra, the crown chakra. Here, this chakra is located at the center of the parietal bone on the anterior frontanelli. This is the location of the soft spot of newborn infants in the center of the head. As the oil drips across the forehead and down over the crown, it influences the energetic state of the chakra, acting as a portal into the deeper subconscious mind. Some of the different types of Shirodhara are Tailadhara. This dhara is beneficial for Vata dosh. Herbal oils are used with mixing them with herbal extracts or different essential oils. Second is Takradhara. It is beneficial for balancing Pitta dosh. Takradhara uses buttermilk infused with special herbs. It helps maintain hormone homeostasis, which is the body's ability to maintain internal stability despite changes in external conditions. The third one is Kshiradhara. This uses milk infused with herbs. The medicated milk is poured over the head and it is helpful in Vata and Pitta predominant headaches, stress and anxiety. And next one is Kwathadhara. Decoctions made with different herbs are used in Kwathadhara. It helps in balancing Vata Kapha dosh. And the next one is Jaladhara. In Jaladhara, coconut water or normal water is used. It is mainly suggested in cases of ailments due to excess heat in the body. Thank you por ver esta video. Bye.